May ano rin dito, pwede kang mag-check-in dito sa kanila. May ano sila dyan, massage. Available upstairs. May mga room, hotel reception. Ito yung hotel reception. Then, pasok ito. Doon sa taas yung mga rooms nila. And dyan yung inquiry out here. Ang ganda kasi, ang ganda ng restaurant nila sa loob. Ang ganda. Yan yung palabas dyan. Along the road lang to. Pasok na dito sa loob. May restaurant sila. No outside food or drink. Pasok kayo. Ito yung restaurant nila dito. And may ano sila doon. Sa labas. Pastries. It's over here. Ang laki ng space dito. Look at their pastries. Oh, looks so good. Looking so yummy. My favorite is carrot cake. And dito yung labas. It's just along the road. Along the road lang to. Pwede ka dito mag-check-in and you can eat inside here because they've got a restaurant here. That's it. Oh, diba? Ang laki ng space. Tara, balik na tayo doon. Baka andun na yung food natin. Dine and relax. Galaxy Star. The next event, Galaxy Star. Ayun. Okay, palit na. Palit na. Bigyan nila. Looks so yummy. Kain po. Eat. And I have cocktail here. Classic margarita. And this is
This is Echo.
beer, of course.